Welcome to the class of chemistry. I am your chemistry teacher Ayushi Sharma. Let's begin with today's class. In the previous topics, we have discussed about the mixture in which we have taken solid as a solute in liquid. Today we will be learning about the types of mixture, that is liquid in liquid. Here we are having two types of mixture of liquid in liquid. First, we are having miscible liquids. The liquids which do not form separate layers or they get mixed with each other completely. And the second one, we are having immiscible liquids in which one type of liquid forms a separate layer on another type of liquid. Basically, today we will be learning about the separation techniques which we utilize to separate two miscible liquids. As we know that miscible liquids do not form any separate layers. In fact, they completely mix with each other. The technique which we utilize to separate the two miscible liquid is distillation. Today we will be learning about the process of distillation. Basically, when we talk about distillation, it's a process of heating the liquid to form the vapors, and then these vapors allowed to cool down to get back liquid. Mainly, this technique of distillation is depending upon the boiling points of two miscible liquids which are taken as a mixture. We will be learning the two type of distillation here, that is simple distillation and fractional distillation. Let us understand the simple distillation first. As you can see from the slide, here we are having the mixture of acetone and water. Mainly, this technique of simple distillation is used when the difference in the boiling point of two miscible liquid is more than 25 Kelvin. Here we are having the example of acetone and water, in which acetone has the boiling point of 56 degrees Celsius approximately, and water, as you know, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So we can say that there is a sufficient difference in the boiling point of these two liquids. Let us understand the technique of simple distillation through upcoming video.
Distillation. Distillation is the process of heating a liquid to form its vapors and then condensing the vapors to form the liquid. It is used to separate two or more substances present in a liquid or for purification of water. The apparatus used for distillation is shown here. Let us see the demonstration. Take some salt water in a retort and heat it till the water gets converted to steam. The steam is collected in the beaker which is connected to the retort as shown here. The steam condenses into drops of water and the salt is left behind in the retort.
This technique of simple distillation is used to purify water. As we know that in many coastal areas where drinking water is not available in adequate amount, so this process of simple distillation is used to obtain the water from seawater. In fact, the distilled water which we use in chemistry lab can also be obtained from tap water by using the technique of simple distillation. I hope you have understood it. Now, if the difference in the boiling point of two liquid is less than 25 Kelvin, so simple distillation does not work. Here we have to use the type of distillation, that is fractional distillation. Mainly, it depends on the difference in the boiling point. It is carried out by using a fractionating column. A simple fractionating column is a kind of long vertical glass tube which is filled with glass beads. These glass beads provide the large surface area so that hot vapors which are coming, they get cooled down and they condense repeatedly. It is fitted in the neck of distillation flask which contains the mixture of liquids which is to be separated. Let us discuss the example of fractional distillation through an upcoming video.
Fractional distillation. When the boiling points of the two liquids are very close, then simple distillation does not work. In that case, a fractionating column is used, which is long tube provides obstructions to the passage of the vapors upwards and to the passage of liquid downwards. The mixture of liquids A and B with 370 Kelvin and 380 Kelvin boiling points respectively is present in the flask. On heating the flask, the vapors obtained are more of A and less of B. As the vapors rise up in the fractionating column, the partially condensed liquid flows down. The vapors of B condense faster as compared to A, and the vapors moving up richer in A. The condensed liquid flowing down strikes the vapor and it consumes molecules of B. This process is repeated throughout the fractionating column, due to which the vapors escaping through the top of the column are almost of A and the liquid left in the flask almost of B.
Now, I hope you have understood about the fractional distillation. The next we are having its application in our day-to-day life. As we have already discussed, it is used to separate the volatile miscible liquids. We have already discussed some other example like acetone and water, alcohol and water, etc. It is also used to liquefy the air. That means to separate the components of gases through air, that is nitrogen and oxygen, as we have already discussed in our previous videos. It's very important question as the examination point of view. The next we are having, it is also used to separate the components of the crude oil, as we have already discussed in our previous video. In fact, you have studied this topic in 8th class, that is refining of petroleum, and here we are having its arrangement. Depending upon the different boiling point of different components which are present in the crude oil like petrol, diesel, fuel oil, kerosene, they get separated. The next, we are having the difference in the simple distillation and the fractional distillation. The main difference between the two is the miscible liquids having sufficiently large difference in their boiling points can be separated by using simple distillation process. But if the difference in the boiling point of miscible liquid is less than 25 Kelvin, so we have to use fractional distillation. In simple distillation, only simple apparatus like flask and condensers are used. But in fractional distillation, we need to make the use of fractionating column, which provide the large surface area for the vapors of liquid. Next, we are having assignment. Again, you are having some of the questions to do. Already we are having questions related to this topic, but these questions are important questions. Please go through these questions and revise these questions on daily basis. If you have any doubt, please write down in the comment box. Thank you so much and have a nice day.